welcome back to my YouTube channel where I review and unbox small businesses and big business that support small businesses. Alright, so today is one of those big businesses that support small business. This is Society6, where lots of artists can put up their designs and everything like that onto like multi-different things. And today I'm unwrapping 3 separate people. Alright, so it did come in 2 separate packaging. It came in this one, and then this. I'm guessing this is where my art prints are, and then this is where my other thing is. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do this first. This is really cute packaging though. I really love that it's winter themed. Got my nifty difty knife. Alright. Definitely don't want to cut too far into things. All right. Oh, and it is. Okay, so this is a mask. You know, right now we kind of need masks. I work out in the public, so I always like to have fun masks. I have about 20 now. I love that this one actually has where you can put a filter, and it has the adjustable straps. If you know, you know. It definitely makes it better. I really love the mushroom design on it. This was actually done by Small Drawings. I will have all of these businesses linked below, so you can click on the Society6 and then you can go straight to them. And you can get this print in like multi different things there. That's the cool part. Like I saw like shower curtains and stuff. So I love it. I absolutely love it. And it feels really thick, which I don't know if you know this, but like you don't want like a super thin mask because it doesn't do much of anything. You definitely want one that's thicker or that you can put a filter. Very, very cool. And it feels nice too. Definitely. I would put this against my face and like show it to you. You can go on my Instagram and see that because I do like to wash everything before I like put it all over my face and stuff like that, you know. Makes sense, right? But that was really cool. Okay, so now I know that these are prints and I am ridiculously excited about opening up this one. Like super excited. Okay. Whoop. All right. I love that they're prints, but they made sure to like have them in like cardboard and then they put them in more cardboard. Love that. I would have hated them get bent. Oh, okay. So they did give me a coupon thing. Okay, that's awesome. Nice. Okay. I am so excited about this one. Okay, so it has like a witch in the background, and of course she's getting lit on fire and she might be lighting something. And this one is called Stay Cool No Matter What, and it's by Marco, and I'll definitely again have everything linked below. But when I saw this painting, I just thought I have to have this. This is something that I really love, witchy things, and this was just absolutely beautiful. And I thought it was kind of funny all at the same time, like dark humor. If you like dark humor, comment below. Make sure I don't feel alone with that. All right, and then this is a gift. One of my best friends, I had to buy her this. It's a whole bunch of like veggies and it has like their butts and stuff on it, and it says "Eat Me" at the top. I'm gonna get both of these framed. Gosh, they are just absolutely gorgeous, man. Dang, and they're way more vivid than you just never know like until you order something, right? I would definitely suggest these people to y'all. Okay, all right, well, let's get to like the reviewing then. Okay, so if you've been here before, you know I rate in squeaks. 5 squeaks equals good. 1 squeak equals bad. All right. And if you get no squeaks, means I don't suggest the business at all. Okay, so I did forget to tell you The carrot design was done by cecitattoos, which once again, I will have everyone linked below. Don't fret if you want to buy it or just see what other things they have to offer. I definitely suggest. Okay, so rating goes. Shipping, it only took 10 days to get the 2 prints and to get the mask. They came separately, but they came on the same day, which is pretty cool. Less than 2 weeks, so I give it 5 squeaks. Quality, the mask feels amazing. I really feel like it's gonna definitely do what it's supposed to do. It definitely feels thick enough. Quality feels nice. I love that it has adjustable straps. Definitely like quality of the mask and quality of both the prints. Both the prints feel like they were printed out on thick paper. They don't look faded. I know like sometimes when you order from businesses, like it'll look kind of like blown out of proportion or something. No, they look great. I can't wait to frame them. 5 squeaks. Packaging, great. I really feel like both the prints were actually secure inside of there. Like, not did it just have like the basic wrapping inside, 2 cardboards on both to make sure like they weren't gonna like it feels like it'd be really hard to bend this, and that's really nice. And that's always a scary thing when you're like buying like prints or anything that's bendable or breakable. You're always like, oh my gosh, is the packaging good enough? Like, is it gonna come broken? Can I get back my money? Like, stuff like that. But no, packaging, absolutely amazing. Definitely gonna give them 5 squeaks for that. Design, I feel like you already know the answer. 5 squeaks. I mean, that mushroom design, I'm in love. And that witch print, right when I saw her, I was like, I have to own a print of that. Like, that is everything to me. And then that veggies with the cute little butts. Oh, I think my best friend's going to absolutely adore it. So 5 squeaks for that. So all together, I really feel like this business deserves a purr, like deserves it across the board. One thing I forgot to mention was the Stay Cool No Matter What. That one was $18.59. The Sexy Carrots was $11.39. And then the mask was $16.99. Now I did get it on a sale because they were doing a sale on Black Friday. So I know the prices vary, but I think you can always find like a coupon code and stuff like that. Always look for coupon codes. There's usually something there. Meant to tell you that shipping was only $5. Can't really beat that, right? So, and then only taking 10 days to get here. Perfect. Complete purr of a company. Super easy to work with. Definitely got everything that I really wanted out of this company. I'm very excited about giving these gifts away. All right, well, that is the end of reviewing Society6 and reviewing Marco, CC, and small drawings. Remember, when you buy from a small business, you aren't buying from someone that already has $1 billion. You're buying from someone just like me and you. And what a wonderful world we could live in if we all got paid to do what we love. Shop small, y'all. I hope you have a wonderful day because you deserve it. Bye.